How the universe began, the Big Bang. Good morning, everyone. Today I'm going to take you on a journey back in time, not just years or centuries, but billions of years, to the very beginning of everything we know. The birth of the universe through the phenomenon we call the Big Bang. What is the Big Bang? Big Bang is not just a theory about an explosion. It's a scientific model that explains how the universe began as a hot, dense point roughly 13.8 billion years ago and has been expanding and evolving ever since. Imagine compressing everything, every star, planet, atom, and even space and time, into something smaller than a pinhead. This was the state of the universe at its inception. Unimaginably small, hot, and dense. Then, in an instant, it began to expand. This wasn't an explosion into space. It was the creation of space itself, stretching and carrying everything along with it. The evidence for the Big Bang. You might wonder, how do we know this happened? Let's explore three key pieces of evidence. Cosmic microwave background radiation, CMB. In 1964, scientists discovered faint microwave radiation coming from every direction in the sky. This radiation is the afterglow of the Big Bang, the residual heat from that initial state. It's like the echo of an explosion that still lingers billions of years later. The universe is expanding. In 1929, astronomer Edwin Hubble observed that galaxies are moving away from us, and the further they are, the faster they're receding. This suggests the universe is expanding, like dots on a balloon that stretches as you blow it up. If we rewind this expansion, everything converges back to that initial point. The abundance of light elements. The Big Bang Theory predicts the early universe would produce specific ratios of hydrogen, helium, and lithium. Observations of these elements in stars and galaxies match these predictions perfectly, supporting the theory. What happened during the Big Bang? The story of the Big Bang unfolds in stages. Planck epoch, 0 to 10 to the minus 23 seconds. This was the earliest moment, a fraction of a second after the universe began. Physics as we know it breaks down here. Our understanding is limited. Space, time, and energy were all unified. Inflation, 10 to the minus 36 seconds. The universe underwent rapid expansion, faster than the speed of light. This inflation smoothed out the universe, laying the groundwork for the galaxies and stars we see today. Formation of basic particles, 10 to the minus 6 seconds. As the universe cooled, particles like quarks and gluons began to form. These tiny building blocks combined to create protons and neutrons. Formation of atoms, 380,000 years. Eventually, the universe cooled enough for electrons to combine with protons and neutrons, forming the first atoms, mostly hydrogen and helium. This era allowed light to travel freely, creating the cosmic microwave background radiation. Formation of stars and galaxies, 100 million years onward. Gravity pulled hydrogen and helium together, igniting nuclear fusion and giving birth to stars. Stars clustered into galaxies, forming the large-scale structure of the universe. What came before the Big Bang? One of the most profound questions people ask is, what came before the Big Bang? The honest answer is we don't know. Some theories suggest our universe might be part of a larger multiverse. Others propose cycles of expansion and contraction, like a cosmic heartbeat. The truth is, the nature of time itself may have started with the Big Bang, making the concept of before meaningless. Why does this matter? You might wonder why understanding the Big Bang is important. It matters because it answers fundamental questions about who we are and where we came from. It connects us to the cosmos, showing that the atoms in our bodies were forged in the stars that were born from this very event. We are quite literally the universe experiencing itself. Conclusion. The Big Bang is not just a story of a moment in time. It's a story of transformation, from simplicity to complexity, from chaos to order, from nothing to everything. It's a reminder of the vastness of the universe and our small yet significant place within it. As we continue to explore the cosmos and uncover more mysteries, we carry the legacy of that singular event 13.8 billion years ago, and everything we know came into being. Thank you.